Hello, today we are going to test non-genuine replacement battery for my Sony ZV-1. I purchased them from company called Newell and it is a NP-BX1 model. They are being called Plus and that's because they've got little bit larger capacity than the genuine battery, and here if you take a look, the genuine got 1240 milliamp hour and the replacement got 1380 milliamp hour, so there is a tiny difference even in the watt hour after you calculate both of them, and the replacement cost like 1/4 of the price of the genuine, and that's going to be extremely interesting experiment to see how they perform. That Sony battery is genuine OEM that came with that camera, and if we take a look at the date code, it was manufactured in a year 2022 month 8, and that's make it less than 6 months including lying on shelf, so it is technically a totally a brand new unit. I use it like 3 times. For our test, I also purchased this 2-slot battery charger that is using micro USB cable, as you can see. And it's being powered from a generic USB power bank. And here is model number in case you would be interested. So we are going to insert our 2 batteries and we are going to make sure they are fully charged, and our genuine one is being fully charged, as you can see, and the replacement is not, so we are going to wait until we are going to get 2 green diodes. Both LED got dim and they are fully charged, and we can start our actual test. So let's begin with our genuine battery. Okay, that looks great, and here we've got time. We've got already 1 minute 15 seconds, and I'm going to leave it as is, and I'm going to go back when it's going to be completely dead. I'm pretty sure that we won't be able to record whole 2.5 hours. genuine battery died in about 1 hour 6 minutes, and we put our replacement one, and we are going to repeat our test in the exactly the same condition. So let's take a look, and we are recording. I'm after briefly reviewing footage on my computer, and we are being able to draw conclusion. First, both batteries allow camera safely to shut down. Both of them display the information that battery is totally depleted, and the camera was able to safely record everything to the SD card and safely turn itself off. This is very important. Second, I've got feeling that replacement battery was much quicker in dropping last percent. We do not have percent, but we've got like a bar indicator, and I've got feeling that on the replacement one, those two last bar give you much shorter runtime than on the genuine one. But I will try to edit the video so you will able to see exactly on what battery at what time each bar drop. The last thing is our runtime, and as you can see, they were extremely close. I didn't expect the replacement with that price is going to be working that well. The genuine one, of course, win. But the difference is like a 5 minutes, and in compare that the replacement costed 1/4 of price of the genuine one, then I can absolutely live with that, because you can get basically 4 batteries like this in price of 1. So yeah, in my personal opinion, it was absolutely the best purchase. And after you done your shooting, you can stuff it like this, and now it's nicely recharging. So that's the conclusion, and in my personal opinion, it ended great. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.